Are you a parent involved in a child custody case and you've been told you need to submit to a drug test and you're worried about having smoked marijuana in a locale where it was legal, such as Florida or Colorado or Las Vegas, and you're wondering, how that's going to impact your custody case? Well, my name is Patrick Slaughter. I'm a family law attorney with LaFevor and Slaughter, and I'd like to answer that for you. It's going to hurt. In Tennessee, doesn't really matter where you smoked marijuana, whether it was legal in the place where you did or not. Tennessee courts generally look down on marijuana. So if you have a positive screen for marijuana use, it is likely that a judge could take some issue with it. However, don't give up hope. When I say take some issue, that doesn't mean that they will automatically find that you can't be with your child anymore. A lot of times what they'll do is have you submit to an alcohol and drug assessment. An alcohol and drug assessment just means you're going to speak with an evaluator about what kind of habits you have with consuming alcohol or other controlled substances, and fill out these evaluative tests. And based on your responses, that evaluator will make recommendations, and they may say you don't have a problem. This was a one-time recreational use of some kind, and they may not see that to consist of or become a problem. If that's the case, there's no recommendations to follow. The judge isn't going to weigh that very heavily. But I would tell you, if you're in the middle of the child custody case and you happen to go somewhere where it's legal, I don't care if it's legal or not, don't consume it. It just makes your attorney's life more difficult, and it makes it more difficult for you to win your case. So if you have the choice, refrain, at least until the custody case is concluded, and then you can make decisions from there. In the meantime, if this is confusing or you're wondering how to deal with this, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to talk with you about it. Maybe we can give you some options. Maybe we can talk to you about how you could approach the judge with the situation, and hopefully give you some insight on how to deal with the situation you find yourself in. I will tell you this, regardless, always be honest. If the judge asks you if you did, don't lie about it. They're going to find out, and then they're not going to believe anything else you say. So above all things, be honest with the judge. If you're asked, tell the truth. But that doesn't mean volunteer information that you haven't been asked about. So it really behooves you, if you think you might be in this situation, to talk to an attorney so that we can do the talking for you to prevent you having to expose yourself unnecessarily to more scrutiny than may be necessary. So I hope this helps. Consider what I'm talking about, and if you have any questions, feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call.